Hello everyone, TheAniMob here, and today I will be teaching you how to build your very own hidden door. So let's get started. Okay, so you're walking into your house at night, and it just looks like a normal wall. You flip the lever, and you're going to notice it opens up into a secret passageway where you can store your valuables. Alright, so here's how to build it. Let's go. Okay, so what you're going to need is oak planks, or actually any block of your choice. An oak button is not needed. You can either choose a button or a lever. Sticky piston, redstone dust, a redstone torch if you're choosing to use a button, wool, it's your choice once again, and a redstone repeater. So first what you're going to need to do is claim a walkway basically, or just like an area where you want it to open up to. And you are going to place two sets of pistons, like so, that are 4 blocks apart exactly. Then what you will do is you will take 2 of your pistons, and you will place your normal block in between them. Alright? Simple enough. Now, the next step. We are going to place red wool, or actually any wool, or any block you choose, over the pistons and including the gap right here. And we are going to place 2 repeaters. One right here, and one right here, each set to either 2, 3, or 4 ticks on both of them, but make sure you do the same for both of them. And then connect them with redstone. Okay? So now we will build a little, just a hallway. Okay? And we need to connect where we are going to place our lever. So let's say here, I'm just going to put a red wool there, and we're going to need to connect it via redstone in between the 2 repeaters right here. So we are going to bring it around and build up. Like so. And connect like this. I don't know how long it is, but I will put 1 repeater here just to be safe. And now you take your lever, place it on here, flip it for it to be closed, push it on or up for it to be open. And I don't think spamming might break it. The way you connect it with a button is you will break this last redstone here, and you will place a redstone torch, and you will click this off. So notice now it will not open because there is a redstone torch there, and you will place a button right on the block that has the redstone torch on it. Click the button and you'll see it does the same thing, but it's only temporary until the button releases. Alright? Thanks for watching. See you in another video.